the Jamaican people were asked to speak, and they spoke. And they spoke loudly and resoundingly to settle their argument about which party they want to represent them for the next 5 years. Some good men and women fell along the way on both sides. I think of Big Rob in Southeast St. Catherine. I think of Alan Bernard in West Central St. James as two of those who, Who? Oh, yes, what for? Warren Newby up in Northwest Clarendon, for sure. Yeah? Who fell, and we acknowledge their contribution. Kurt Wall, Dr. Kurt Wall. Oh yes, how could I forget? In Southwest St. Catherine. Yeah? But to the victor, the spoils. This morning, I've come to praise an individual. Yes.